Oh, happiness. The other thing is the survival in the midst of difficulties. What do we see in our world today? To survive, ano ang ginagamit na paraan? Magsuhol ka and you will survive. Gamitan mo ng blackmail and you will survive. Takutin mo and you will survive. And so we hold on to those capacities. Later on, anong capacities ang ginagamit? Weapons, armas, baril, bomba. Lusubin mo. Patayin nyo yung lahat ng yan. At pag natakot yan, atin na yan. We survive. So people place hope in corruption, in weapons, in death. They think that by destroying people's lives, they will be protected. They will win. That is not hope. That is an act of despair.